Welcome back, guys, to MJ Crypto. Now, this is the weekly update about BTC, what it's currently doing and what it may likely do this week and the coming weeks. All right, now BTC is actually consolidating towards the downside. Last week we saw BTC hold a position at 41k to 42k and then dropped back to 40,000 and closed weekly. All right, good. Now this week we're starting off and BTC is already at the 39k zone. If we should actually close a weekly candle above the 42,000 zone, then it is most likely we're heading towards the alt season, because the BTC dominance is actually consolidating towards the downside. I'm going to show you briefly right now so you get a full grip of what I'm talking about. This video is going to be very short and concise, so endeavor to watch it to the very end and grasp every information you can get hold of. Now, this is the BTC dominance on your trading view. To access this, you simply go to btc.d on your chart. Now, you can see clearly that the BTC dominance is consolidating towards the downside, just falling off from a bearish flag pattern. All right, I taught you guys this last week, so you can see it's actually falling down. All right, now if it happens to fall down and the price of BTC hits about 42k and closes, it is most likely we're entering into the alt season and altcoins will start pumping right in your faces. All right, so watch this picture right here on this video, look at it very clearly and grasp as much information that you can get hold of. We're going to be starting off a series on technical analysis right here on this channel. It's going to be for 2 weeks. We'll be posting videos back to back, so do well to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. We'll be starting off on technical analysis very shortly. Okay, we'll be buttressing facts on candlestick patterns, trend patterns, chart patterns and all of that. All right, because we've delved so much into indicators and it's high time we do what? Real technical analysis. Okay, how to draw your trend lines and all of that. So stay glued to this channel. Cheers, guys. We're heading towards the alt season most likely very soon. This is the update on MJ Crypto. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.